This video is going to go through how to find points on a unit circle that correspond to an angle measure. Suppose that P is a point on the unit circle obtained by rotating the initial ray through the given angle. Find the coordinates of point P. And for this example, we're doing 225 degrees. Well, the first thing is whenever you see unit circle, you should know that the center is 0, 0, and the radius is 1. So if I'm on the unit circle, instead of x comma y, I know that I can use cosine theta comma sine theta. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch the angle of 225 degrees. So 0, 90, 180, 270. 225 degrees is going to fall in quadrant 3 because it's between 180 and 270. So when I sketch an angle, my initial side always starts on the positive x-axis, and I always have to draw in my arc. So here is 225 degrees, and they're talking about this point over here, P. Now, because I'm in the third quadrant, this is going to be a negative x value and a negative y value because we went to the left and we went down. So it's going to be negative cosine of 225 degrees, comma, negative sine of 225 degrees. I want to use my chart to find the sine and cosine, but in my chart I only have three values, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, or 60 degrees. So I need to work with one of those, and right now I have 225. So if I were to draw a triangle, this piece in here is known as my reference angle because that's the angle inside the triangle. And our reference angles always go back to the x-axis. So to get from 225 back to 180, it's 45 degrees, which means that's what I'm going to be using from my chart. So negative cosine of 45 and negative sine of 45. So from your chart, the values of sine and cosine of 45 degrees are equivalent. They are both radical 2 over 2. So the point on the unit circle is negative radical 2 over 2, comma, negative radical 2 over 2.